Yes, hello everyone, and today workshop reflection 3 I'm going to show you the working of Ethernet and ARP protocols with the use of Wireshark by capturing their packets. So first of all, a brief introduction about it. Well, the Ethernet protocol, it provides a MAC address for the network interface, and it is a kind of like today's a most popular protocol being used, and it verifies the incoming frames and that having a like a correct destination MAC address. Now it will cover up like this protocol will cover up some certain things like destination and source MAC address, destination IP and source IP address. Source port and destination port will be there, and the frame trailer will be attached at last. So let me show how it works in the Wireshark over here. Now I'm using the Wi-Fi over here, so it show the signals over here. So it's gonna begin now. Now here you can see this is the Wireshark, and once we start capturing, it will pop up with all the things appearing over here. Now here you can see with some things over here, there is a destination, source, the protocol, the different protocols are appearing over here, and then the last it shows the info, like what is exactly going in over here. Now I'm gonna just go open the page over here so that I can show you the Ethernet protocol. So I have refreshed, so I'm gonna pause it over here. Now okay, we'll see. Unless there are something that like TCP, DNS, there are different kind of protocols going on over here. So here we can see, like, we try to go through the particular address, and which is picking up over here. It shows over in the Ethernet the destination, the source, like there is a source which is the MAC address of my system, because I have tried to reach that particular website. It shows get message over here, and this is the destination MAC address, and there is a hexadecimal digits over here. Now in HTTP it shows all the things over here. Now we have used Wireshark, the connection, its cache control and all, and this is how it appears in over here with the Ethernet protocol. Now further we will be talking about ARP, the address resolution protocol. Well, it is used to resolve the IP address to physical address, which means like when a source does not have the destination MAC address, it sends out a message requesting for the MAC addresses of different IP host IP addresses. Now basically the our computer system stores IP and MAC address in our ARP like caching, and it can be seen through the terminal by using this command. Here you can see it's already popped up over here, ARP fmd, and it shows up all the things over here. So now we're gonna get into the Wireshark, and I'll show you how it works in over there. So by opening the Wireshark, first of all I'm gonna start capturing the packet over here. Once it's beginning over here, refresh this page and let's stop this over here. Let's see. Okay, now here you can see it shows me like this is the IP address. Who has the IP address is the same as my system. You can see I've already placed it over here, 192.168.43.95, and this is what shows in the Wireshark. And as for this, now this is the Apple, my source is my laptop MacBook over here. It shows this, and it shows that its IP address, and here it found the MAC address of my system, because I'm opening the site from my system, so it shows the same MAC address as my system. Here you can see it. Furthermore, here all the details, rest of the things are available. Like you can see our system uses IP version 4, the hexadecimal value is there, The sender's MAC address is same as mine, and the target is the site which I have chosen. The bill on the bill of rights, it shows over here. It's and its site's MAC like IP address is this, and my system's IP address is this. So here we can see how it works, how we can see ARP protocol working over here. So this is how it works.